a dance, make it hurt.
So hey guys, good morning. So after working the entire week, building up stress, waiting for the weekend to come to reduce the stress, and what I do to do that, this is what it is. I write. So today we are going to Kailasagiri Betta. It is around 70 kilometers from my place, so it's a 140 to 150 kilometers up and down, so it will be a perfect weekend outing. So the Bangalore has started showing its true colors, kind of unpredictable when it rains and all. So today morning I have seen the forecast, there is no rain, so I came out. Also, it's a very pleasant morning today. You can see the sky being uncovered just now. It's too colorful. Also guys, I'm trying to cross 100 subscribers. So I'm around at 93 or something right now. So please consider subscribing if you like the videos. I'll try to put up similar content and comment down your opinions, and so it's kind of motivating for me as well to go for the rides and show you what are all the places around Bangalore, and we'll also do some long rides occasionally. It's the first time I'm driving on this road, and this road is so beautiful. I think even if you see the skies, right, morning skies, it is really beautiful today. Not so cloudy, and it is actually about to sunrise. It's 5:27 right now. I think it still we have like half an hour to 45 minutes for the sunrise to happen, but see the skies, it's really good. The road is also pretty straight, there is no deviation or there is no undulation or anything like that. And also the aux lights that I have, the yellow lights, those are really helpful at night times, because every small undulation will be like clearly visible. So I kind of mix up, like I have the headlight on and the yellow lights on, so it's perfect. I think we have some off-roading at the location. Let's see how good it is. There are actually two locations that we are visiting today. One is Kailasagiri Betta, which I already told you, but there is one more location which is kind of fort. I forgot the name, but there is a little bit off-roading, like 3 or 4-ish kilometers. Yeah, let's see. See the skies. Wow. This is the kind of ride I'm expecting. This is an art. I think we need to take a photo here. We'll go to one of these roads and see. So there was a bit of narrow roads here which were leading to the actual place that we are going. I'll provide the route details in the description. So there are so many villages in between, so I can't remember their names and all. So So there's a bit of off-road patch here, which is expected. I mean, I'm not expecting this, man. Here off-road is not that bad, but manageable, I would say. But no, there is only me here, there is no one else here. I think this is the best place I have visited till now around Bangalore. I always thought to come here. I know this place, but I haven't because I didn't got time, or I don't know. But turned out to be an excellent place, this one. See the views. You'll get a proper jungle kind of vibe here. Oh man, it's really good. Guys, it's a must visit, I would say. I think the ascent is completed. Guys, there is no one here. I'm the only one who came here today. I don't know how this place was overshadowed, kind of, because this needs, I mean, I don't know, this is the best place I have seen till now. See, man, it's like on the clouds now. I'm not expecting this. Oof. So this is the Ambaji Durga fort. The fort is actually on top of that hill that you are seeing right now. So this is the parking place. We came from here. So whatever the off-roading that you have seen, so this leads to this place. And there is a trekking way here which leads to the top of the hill. I'm not going now because I don't think the view would be good at this point of time, because it's already like 7:30, and it would be same as, you know, how you see here. If you wanted to go right, you just have to visit little early, so at least you will have that fog and all. So yeah, I'm returning back now. We'll just go to the Kailasagiri hill, which is actually near to this place. So I just crossed that place and came here directly. In return, I have to visit that Kailasagiri, and we'll return back to home again. So this is the Kailasagiri temple. So actually it's 9 AM now, but the temple will open at 10:30 AM. So if you want to visit the temple, just make sure that you will visit at that time. But our purpose is different today, so we just explored that hill, and so this is the Kailasagiri hill. So yeah, so we'll be returning back from here now, because I don't have time to visit this temple now, so that will be in another day. So yeah, this is how it looks from the outside, so you can have an idea. Right now we are returning to home. So we have covered one place majorly and another place partially. Mainly I just wanted to experience that off-road of that Ambaji Durga hill. Yesterday I was searching on the internet, and I saw in the maps that, you know, that place is actually good, and I thought to plan today, but turned out that it is actually next to the Kailasagiri hills. Please share these videos to your friends right? I need more subscribers now because I'm actually putting efforts in creating videos. So we are about to hit 100 subscribers, as I told you. So please consider subscribing with if you are not, and share it to your friends who are in and around Bangalore, so that they can also come and visit these places that I'm about to show in future as well.